So it's our last day in Seminyak. No, it's not. So it's our last day in Gili Trawangan. We check out in an hour. This is actually ahead of schedule. Normally we're a lot messier than this. Like this is us being organised. You know, check how tidy the room is already. We've got an hour to go. Let's go to the bar now. And we're heading to Ubud next, which we're very excited about because I thought it was going to be warmer because it's in the middle of a rainforest, but our tour guide was just telling us because it's so high up, it's actually colder. So it's going to be like walking into a fridge. Gemma's packed her jacket for it just in case.
Yeah.
Five years ago we went to Fiji and we got up at 5 in the morning, jumped in the freezing cold water in the wet Sundays to see turtles. Oh yeah, that was nice. It's Australia, not Fiji. And we didn't see any turtles, so ever since then, 5 years it's been on our bucket list and we finally got to see them. Very happy. They have a clearer class. You see your bag, Jim? So we're here back in mainland Bali again. We survived that boat journey. Was that fun?
Oh my god, honestly, like see those storms? They've brought in some waves. Like I honestly did not think we were getting back to mainland.
Whitewater rafting very soon.
But hats off to the staff because they were so chill and they're like, yeah, this is normal. Like they were so accommodating, they were so friendly, like they put everyone at ease.
Yeah, it was good fun. We got a bus, we're on our way to Ubud, we stopped in at a really fancy restaurant for some lunch. Recommended again, we'll see how expensive it is. Don't know, I might just be sticking to some
noodles later.
Yeah, some noodles again. And yeah, let's go get some food because I'm starving. So there's a glass window. What? So you can sit and watch me do a poo. Surely, surely there's a curtain.
No.
What is the point in that?
I love it.
That is so funny, man. What are the freebies this time? Here we go.
They're not freebies. There's a hairdryer in there.
Ah. Conserve and make a difference. To right. I love these wee jars.
Yeah, they're cute.
They give us. Like the other place had them as well in Gili T.
I just like looking at these. We don't need any of them, but it's fun to look at, isn't it?
So we're all checked in, unpacked, freshened up, and it's an hour till sunset. The ridge walk is apparently half an hour away, so we're going to go and try and catch that before the sun sets and see what it's like, because we've never been, so we're very excited.